Healthy chocolate recipe using Young Living essential oils. Hi everyone, it's Danielle here from YL Sunshine Diamonds. Thought I would make a short video showing you how to make a really healthy chocolate slice using essential oils. We're going to flavour it with these essential oils: rose, spearmint, and orange, and make 3 different slices plus a plain chocolate slice, and we're going to taste test it and see what it tastes like. This is a really great little recipe, very healthy, so one of those little things where you can have a little reward at night. You're going to need 1 cup of coconut oil. If your coconut oil is solid, you will need to slightly heat it on the stovetop. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of raw honey. You want to really grate raw honey and stir it in. Right now, we're going to add 1/2 cup of cacao. You want an organic cacao. This is much healthier than using a processed cocoa, and it will give it a great flavour. Now you're going to add 1/2 cup of carob powder. Carob powder is really great. It will just take away the sweetness a bit, make it a little bit more bitter. But the other great thing about carob is that it has really great nutritional benefits. So we've now poured some of the mixture, about 1/4 of the mixture, into the bowl, and we're now going to add some orange essential oil to this one. Now we're going to add spearmint oil. Spearmint oil is fantastic, great for our blood and keeping us really healthy. And now for our deluxe chocolate, let's add some rose oil. Rose oil is amazing. The smell of this, just opening the lid, is divine. It takes nearly 10 kilograms of rose petals to make this 1 bottle, and this is what makes it such an amazing oil. And now we'll pour it into the molds and share it out between the molds. So here we have the finished product, and we've just filled it different trays with the chocolate, and you'll see that it comes out. Now when it comes out of the chocolate bar, we have to freeze it. We froze it. You'll see that it actually isn't hard like a normal, well, it usually isn't hard. So when you actually break it, usually it'll be, sometimes it's chewy, and like this one is chewy, and then sometimes it's hard. So it just depends on how the chocolate goes. So yeah, and we really liked the rose one. It tasted like Turkish delight. And hope you enjoy our chocolate slice.